The new year is all about fresh goals and fresh beginnings, which is why I'm here at Sussex County Habitat for Humanity, where 2026 is about more than just building homes. So I'm here with Director of Development, Ricky Pollitt. How are you doing today,
Doing
Ricky?
great, Kendall. How are you? Thanks for coming out.
I'm doing great. Thank you for having me. We're going to take a walk through the store that we're in right now, but tell me a little bit about what makes 2026 such a big year for Habitat for Humanity.
Oh, it's a huge year. I mean, we're continuing to build affordable homes, ensuring that our residents here in Sussex County have an affordable place to live.
Yes.
We're continuing with our home repair program, planning to help over 120 families make sure they have home repairs. We're continuing our financial literacy program, which is obviously something that everyone needs.
Of course.
And the biggest thing is we're breaking ground this year on our brand new ReStore.
Yes.
So this will soon be our old ReStore. And then hopefully here in about a year, we'll have a brand new one right next door.
That is exciting. So tell me a little bit more about this ReStore and what this means for this expansion for both you, your mission, and the community.
Sure. So again, Habitat's mission is about providing affordable housing opportunities to those here in Sussex County. The ReStore here is a really big branch of how we accomplish this. People are able to donate items here, and then others come in and purchase them at affordable rates. We have living room appliances, kitchen appliances, books, movie, everything you can basically think of right here at an affordable price. And the really cool thing is with the money that we're able to raise here, it helps us build 2 homes every year just from the ReStore alone. So bringing in the new ReStore, which will be much larger than this, it's just going to help our mission of continuing to provide affordable housing opportunities.
Yes, I like that you mentioned that. I mean, it looks like you have everything you really need for a home right here in this store. So that's awesome that you have that and that you are able to expand. But you guys also already built 207 homes over the years, which is a huge milestone. So what does that mean for you?
Oh, it's incredible. I mean, 207 homes since we've been here in Sussex since 1991, and another 207 and even more on the way.
Yes.
We're currently building 9 homes in Milford as part of our Milford home ownership project.
Yes.
We have 2 homes that are soon to be complete in Seaford. We're going to start building in Greenwood and Bridgeville later on this year. And then we have a lot of big plans for a lot of houses in Seaford, Georgetown. Just again, making sure that everyone here in Sussex County has those opportunities for affordable housing.
That is awesome that you guys do that. And then you mentioned the Milford Home Ownership Project. Can you tell me a little bit about that and what its impact is?
Absolutely. So that's one of our neighborhood revitalization projects. It's the 3rd one that Sussex County Habitat has done here in the last couple of years. We had one in Georgetown, one in Laurel, but that's 9 homes and 9 affordable homes right in the Macaulay, Columbia area. And right now we've currently sold 4 of those. So we have 5 that are soon to be sold. That project should be completed by the beginning of the summer. And again, like I keep saying, it's opportunities to have affordable housing, no more than 30% of your income, and ensuring that you can use your income in other areas rather than just keeping the roof over your head.
Yes, of course. That is awesome that you guys do provide a resource like that that people can really use and take advantage of. So if anybody is interested in getting involved, where can they find Habitat for Humanity?
Sure. I mean, the best place is our website, which is sussexcountyhabitat.org. Of course, we'd love to direct people here to our ReStore in Lewis because a lot of people come here. Again, they're able to buy stuff, they can donate stuff, they can learn more about our mission, because along with the home repairs, along with just home ownership, financial literacy, we have so much going on. So we want to make sure that we have a spot, whether it's here, our different affiliates, or our website, where people can go and learn. So those would be the easiest places to get involved.
Yes, and that donation process, if somebody does have something, they just come and drop it off, or what does that look like?
Yeah, absolutely. They can come for the most part. We'll take a lot of things. There are a couple things that we can't take, but they can come right along during our operating hours. They'll work with our team, they'll drop it off, and then someone will purchase it at an affordable rate. Those funds go towards Habitat, and then we build more houses, do more home repairs, and just give it back to the community.
And you did mention a little bit about the literacy. You touched on that. If you can expand on what this program is and what you guys do.
Of course. I know financial literacy is a hot topic these days, and we believe that everyone needs financial literacy coaching. We're very blessed to have a top 5 in the state of Delaware coach at Sussex County Habitat for Humanity, who works with our homeowners, but also works with anyone in Sussex County. This program is open to anyone who would like it. With our financial literacy program, we've saved over $1 million. We've helped increase credit scores by 109 points. And we've really made sure that Sussex County residents have been able to keep their money in their pocket, use it in responsible ways, and feed back into the community. So it's just another big branch of what we're doing here at Habitat.
Yes, and just like another resource that you're providing too.
Absolutely.
Well, thank you so much, Ricky. I really appreciate you having me today.
Thanks for stopping by, Kendall. Appreciate you.
Of course. Thank you so much. CoastLife, you also should stop by right here in this ReStore facility and enjoy it, take a look around, maybe even donate something that you might have of your own, and stick around because they'll have that new store coming soon too, so you can look around then also. But we have more CoastLife coming on the way, so stay tuned.